Welcome to Dwbiadda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the course Weka for Data Mining and Machine Learning. We are going to start this tutorial with the topic Introduction to Weka. We will take you through all the features and applications of Weka. So why wait? Let's start. In this session, we will start with the basic information of Weka, then follow the evolution of Weka. In the next sections, we will learn about data mining and machine learning capabilities of Weka. Then we will focus on the features of Weka and finally finish the session with the application of Weka. Let us start with the definition. Weka is a data mining software that uses a collection of machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Weka contains a collection of visualization tools and algorithms for data analysis and predictive modeling. It supports several standard data mining tasks, more specifically data preprocessing, regression, classification, clustering, and feature selection. The full form of Weka is Weka Environment for Knowledge Analysis. The Weka project was funded by New Zealand government and was developed by University of Waikato. The initial versions of Weka was written in C, with some evaluation routines written in Prolog. At the middle of 1999, the 100% Java-based Weka 3 was released. Now we can call either the algorithm directly to the dataset or call from our own code written in Java or Python or even R. It is a free software licensed under GNU and the companion software to the book Data Mining, Practical Machine Learning Tools and Techniques. In this section, we will go through the evolution of Weka. In the year 1993, University of Waikato started developing of Weka as a government-funded project of New Zealand. The first public version 2.1 was released in the year 1996. After 3 years, in the middle of 1999, the 100% Java-based Weka 3 was released. This non-graphical version of Weka accompanied the first edition of the book Data Mining, Practical Machine Learning Tools and Techniques. In November 2003, a stable version of Weka 3.4 was released with graphical user interface. After 2 years, in 2005, the Weka development team received the Data Mining and Discovery Service Award. The award recognized the longevity and widespread adoption of Weka. In the year 2006, Penthao Corporation became the major sponsor of Weka. Weka 3.8 was released on 2018. As of this presentation, Weka 3.8.4 is the latest version and was released on December 2019. In this part of the presentation, we are going to explain data mining steps using Weka. Data analysis starts from business problem identification. In this stage, a data scientist should understand the problem statement and the domain knowledge of the problem. In the data acquisition step, all the data sources related to a problem statement are identified. Weka can easily import data from various sources like ARF, CSV, Excel, or from a database. The third step is exploratory analysis. Data scientists try to identify the key features using graphical plots or quantitative analysis. Data processing step is considered as one of the important phases of data mining. Weka can efficiently handle missing data and normalize data also. In this step, Weka gives us permission to select a model from its large collection of algorithms. Model training and evaluation are also part of this phase. In the final step, Weka visualizes the result through graphs or any other tools and store the result for future use. Now going to the next section. In this section, we will explain the machine learning feature of Weka. One of Weka's power is its data preprocessing capabilities. Weka uses 75 different techniques for data processing. Weka supports 100 plus algorithms from supervised machine learning methods like regression and classification. We can use more than 20 clustering algorithms from Weka. Feature selection is an important part of machine learning. Weka assists more than 25 feature selection processes. Finally, Weka supports around 3 algorithms for association rules. In this section, we are going to explain the important features of Weka. Weka supports both supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithms. We can use 100 plus regression and classification algorithms and around 20 plus clustering algorithms in data analysis. Weka is really a well-defined data preprocessing tool. We can format our dataset, handle missing values, split data as training and test set very easily using Weka. Weka has a well-managed export-import system for external files. The basic supported file system is R files. Weka can also read CSV, Excel, JSON and many other files. Weka has a rich set of packages which allows us to solve variety of problems. We can integrate Weka to Java and Java-based environment. It is a free software licensed under the GNU General Public License. It is platform independent. Weka can run on top of Windows, Linux and even Mac operating systems. Compared to other data analysis tool like Python or R, Weka is much easier to use. Now we are going to the final section. In this section, we will go through only the major application domain of Weka. First one is customer segmentation. In market analysis, we have to segregate our customers. We can do this using classification or cluster analysis in Weka. Any financial prediction can easily done by Weka regression analysis. Fraud detection is another example of classification of transaction patterns. We can easily identify this using Weka tool. Currently, we are concentrating on healthcare analysis. We can easily predict cancer, autism, and many other diseases using predictive algorithms. Accuracy is very important in engineering. We can use machine learning algorithms to detect, predict, and rectify the processes. Another major area of application is corporate surveillance. We can predict or detect anomalies from a surveillance data stream. Finally, we can use Weka for scientific research. That's all for now. In our next video tutorial, we will discuss about the installation process of Weka. Thank you for staying with us.